An adventure of a beautiful princess. Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a young princess named Isabella. She lived in a grand palace with her parents, the king and queen. Isabella was a curious girl and loved exploring the palace gardens. One day, while wandering through the gardens, Isabella stumbled upon a small door she had never seen before. It was hidden behind a bush and she couldn't resist the temptation to see what was inside. She opened the door and stepped through, only to find herself in a magical world full of talking animals and enchanted forests. The animals greeted her with excitement and invited her to join them on an adventure. Isabella was hesitant at first, but decided to follow them anyway. They traveled through the forest and came upon a castle that was guarded by a fierce dragon. The dragon had been terrorizing the kingdom and had to be defeated. Isabella, with the help of her new animal friends, came up with a plan to defeat the dragon. They distracted it with singing and dancing, and Isabella was able to sneak up and defeat it with a magical sword hidden in the castle. The kingdom celebrated Isabella's bravery and she was hailed as a hero. She learned that sometimes the most unexpected adventures can lead to the most amazing experiences. From that day on, Isabella continued to explore the magical world beyond the small door in the palace garden, always ready for the next adventure. If you like the story, like, share and subscribe to my channel.